So guys, right now they are doing a board game where in the board game they roll the dice and they land on different financial terms, and then they have to explain what they landed on and what that term means. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Sean J. Harris at Generational Wealth Academy. I am here with the man of the hour. He's already getting in game mode, getting ready to do his keynote. So I just want to bring you guys backstage, let you kind of see how it goes down. So I'm going to go ahead and flip around a little bit and let you get a backstage view.